Hello again. I wanted to show you guys some updated WordPress hosting sites that are particularly pretty good right now. And they have been for a while, and they probably will be for some time. So for cheap WordPress hosting, I wanted to show you guys, first of all, this website called Freenom. Now, let's say you are doing WordPress hosting for the first time and you want to do it on your local machine. You don't want to pay for a domain name. And, well, you have a lot of options, but here are two of them. Freenom and Afraid DNS. So these two will give you free websites, free domains or names or website names, that what this address bar is up here. And you can link that to a IP address. So let me show you. These two are going to be the same. I cannot log into my Afraid right now, but I can log into my Freenom. Let me do that real quick. Hold on. It signs me out every single time I go to the site. So basically, you register a new domain. Let's say you want to find something like easy word or something, and you can get .tk.ml.ga.cf.gq for free for most domain names that you start off with. And this has been around for a while, and it probably will be around for a while. It's a good way to get a testing site up for yourself and make some blogs on WordPress. Same thing can be done with Afraid. The only difference is, let's see if it even shows you. The only difference is, yeah, I have to log in. The only difference is with this one, you're going to be getting subdomains with Afraid, but there is more flexibility with Afraid. So remember, this one is afraid.org, free domains, free subdomains. This one is Freenom. You get an actual primary domain, like the actual easyword.tk or whatever it is you want to do. So you could do this and then hook that up to your IP address. You would do something like manage domain, manage here, right? And you would add an A record to your IP address, whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you save changes, and then within an hour, which was this time till live, right? You will have this waronco.tk or whatever it is you do, that will be hooked up to this IP address where you could host a WordPress website, or a Flask, or Spring, or Node Express, whatever it is you want to do. So yeah, those are two ways to get some free DNSs. If you are looking for a complete package when it comes to WordPress hosting, I highly recommend Hostinger. These are super cheap. So if you've ever been on something like Udemy, you will see that there are promotions that happen at the beginning of every month or whenever there's a holiday. And you basically never buy a Udemy course at the full price because they have so many promotions. So that's what you want to do with Hostinger. Hostinger is just like Udemy in that case. Sometimes it goes down to like 60 cents per month, and you get the website, you get the SSL, and usually you'll get the domain. So let's say we add this to cart, right? And this is one of those promotions, and you get 48 months for about $50. That's a really good deal, and they have really good customer service. I did them for a year. It was pretty amazing. So yeah, I recommend doing this for an easy first-time WordPress experiment, or even just doing it to grow a blog in general, or getting a virtual private server from them. It's really, really good. Also, there is another one called Easy WordPress. They do not have a as good as customer service, and they don't give a domain. So you could do something like Freenom or Afraid with Easy WordPress, but the difference is they do per month. So that's very hard to get, a per month hosting service for $388. That's pretty good. It's not bad, and you can quit. I got the first month for 1 cent, and I'm using it to set up a starting server just to see what I could do with WordPress in general. So yeah, if you want to do any type of WordPress, you could either use Freenom, Afraid, right? Or you could do a full package with something like Hosting or Bluehost. But honestly, out of all the ones I've seen and tried, Hostinger has been the best for me. Or you could do a per month just to try it out with Easy WordPress. Okay, I hope that helps you if you want to make a WordPress site.